talking about grace. Grace is not just unmerited favor. It is the divine enablement that empowers us to move beyond limitation. Láàrin ọ̀sẹ̀ tó kọjá, I was invited to one church, and we are talking about grace and we are talking about favor. Please, when I'm preaching, I don't waste time. I just go maybe to the point. When we are talking about grace, we are talking about favor. Favor is not just you just call like that. Nítorí pé àwọn kan wà tí a fún ní orí ọ̀fẹ́, àwọn kan wà tó jẹ́ pé ojú rere tí a fún wọn, àwọn kan wà tí a pè ní àkàndá ẹ̀dá. Kí ni mo pè wọ́n? Àkàndá ẹ̀dá tó jẹ́ pé Ọlọ́run dá wọn ní ìdá ọ̀tọ̀. Náà kí ló ta fi pọ̀ ní àkàndá ẹ̀dá? Kí ló ta fi pọ̀ ní àkàndá ẹ̀dá? Kí ló ta fi pè wọ́n? Láti sọ pé Ọlọ́run dá wọn ní ẹ̀dá ọ̀tọ̀. Orí ọ̀fẹ́ àti àmì oró tó wà ní orí wọn òní ó fà. So grace is not just unmerited favor. Romans chapter 8 verse 28 to 30, and I read Romans 8 28 to 30, and we know that all things work together for good to them that love God, to them who are the called according to his purpose. For whom he did foreknow, he also did predestinate to be conformed to the image of his Son, and he might be the firstborn among many brethren. Moreover, whom he did predestine, then he also called, and whom he called, then he also justified, and whom he justified, then he also what? Glorified. So bàbá sọ nípa orí ọ̀fẹ́ kìí ṣe ohun tí a fojú rí. Orí ọ̀fẹ́ lórí ayé ènìyàn ó jẹ́ àmì èyí tí ó yàtọ̀. Let me tell you something. Ẹni orí ọ̀fẹ́ Ọlọ́run pàápàá lórí ayé ẹ̀. Àwọn èèyàn máa wò wípé níbo ló ti wá ní. I do use my life as an example to others. I am from Muslim background. My father is a Muslim. Up to today, my father is a what? Is a Muslim, Alhaji. But my mother, nowadays, was a Christian. I do tell people, because gbogbo nǹkan táwọn èèyàn bá ṣe tí wọ́n ṣe tì, I follow my own things. The only school I went was secondary school. I mean, the only school I went was primary school. But it's about when youth week, when we had youth week during the week, and I told them the only school I went was what? Was primary school. I did not go to the secondary school. And then when it was time for me to go and register in the South America, I went there to do what? I registered in the school at Ijebu, and I know what? I wrote and I passed. When it was time for me to go and write my head, I went to the secondary school, I registered, and I wrote, and I did what? I passed. Mo bá sọ fún àwọn ènìyàn pé bá ẹgbẹ́ wo ìṣẹ́jú ara mi ẹ máa pẹ́ lórí omi. Tí a bá sọ nípa orí ọ̀fẹ́ àti agbára lórí ènìyàn, kì í ṣe ohun tí a lè fojú rí. When I was reading the first lesson today, I did not even see the first reading. When I took the pamphlet and I saw the first reading, I saw what happened to Caleb. I said, wow. And that was how I started my life. Gbogbo tí àwọn èèyàn bá tó bá dín fún ọ láti ṣe, tó bá I will just do it once and I will do once and I will take it. Tí bá fẹ́ ṣe àpẹẹrẹ fún àwọn èèyàn, I don't go far. I don't go far. I use my life as a testimony for others to see and to know that God is what is God. When I wrote the way I passed, when I got an addition to the next people, there was no money. There was no money. Odimu for that day, he lost his school only. I will go from one place to another. That's my shape. I will go as long as I want to see. They will do tests. I will not do. So I don't believe that when I was in 300 level, there was one very difficult course. To the extent my people, my member, will be telling me that they're very serious now. Or you go to university school, and this year, Baba will walk. So there was one particular course. That's high. The lecturer was now late. And go back to 40 nínú báńkì máa yẹ olùdókòwò lọ́dún. My friends, my colleagues, be laughing at me. They say, "So when the result came out, I have checked out my result and passed." And this course was compulsory course, not the compulsory course. When I don't go, so I was afraid. So those who read throughout the night, those who read round the clock, those who read from time to time, those who attend group study, they were crying that they failed the course. So me, I was afraid of to go and do what and look at the result. Nígbà táwọn tó káwé táwọn táwọn ilé yẹn fi kó ní wọn àwọn kékeré gbà yẹn tí wọ́n tó ń sunkún pé kọ́ sí yìí o àwọn máa kárí àwọn ti kárí ẹ̀ kí wọ́n lè. So one day I did all my life it's not kárí ẹ̀ I did not go and take the ball. So one day I was just passing and I was let me finish check what I got in my course. When I saw it I saw 42. I said glory be to God. I just started that easy. Èyí tẹ̀ ká ṣe ti kí ló ṣe wọ́n ní mo máa sọ wọ́n ní wọ́n ní ẹ̀jẹ̀ ká lọ wò ó. Let me tell you something, if there is grace of God in your life, people will be to love our life for the slowly kaka. Ó máa dàbí kíni, ó máa dàbí àti àṣẹ kíni tí à ń rọ́ orí ọ̀fẹ́ ni. Orí ọ̀fẹ́. Grace to move from one level to another láti ìpele kan ó tún ṣe ẹni yẹn ti wà ní ìpele kan tẹ́lẹ̀ ìpele kan tẹ́lẹ̀ yẹn wà tẹ́lẹ̀ ìpele kò tẹ́lẹ̀ lọ́rùn ní you are in that level then you have to move to another level ọlọ́run ta ló fún ilé ìran sí ìtẹ́lú ìdí who gave you that revelation? Grace to what? To move to what? To the next level. When I got the ministry of Methodist Church, I was one of the senior ministers. Àwọn àgbà pẹ̀lú yìí wọ́n lè fẹ́ kó ní iṣẹ́ ìránṣẹ́. Wọ́n lè fẹ́ kó ní iṣẹ́ ìránṣẹ́. Èdè ò lè láti ministry yìí. Mo ní ẹ̀jẹ̀ káyọ̀ máa wò. Because I was so tough that time. Ṣé àwọn pé gbàgbé tí ayé bá súnyàn? Èyàn kò pé wọ́n fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ kó ṣe kí ni? Ó ṣẹlẹ̀. Àwọn míì wá máa ń ṣòro ká lọ máa ń mọ sí. Ṣé ọtí ló máa ń ṣòro? Ọtí ò lè mọ̀. I was still like that. But I was in a church actually, I cannot forget that year. 2000 and what? I can't forget that year. 2002. Was it 2002 or 2008? I was posted from Ibadan to Lagos to the church. And the man of God came for revival in one church. That church was beside my house. I now came at the place for a revival. And there was prophecy of that man. Arákùnrin yẹn sọ wípé ẹnìkan wà ní lóde. You are just coming to this church for the first time. Àwọn tá ìlú ìfẹ́ ìlú sí. Pé for that very year, Olúwa fẹ́ ṣe ìkankan kó lọ ṣe àmì and I said I'm not even finish. That was very painful. Somebody came, one general came and said, Reverend, I said, how are you, sir? I did not know the man. Ṣé yóò lè wá ṣiṣẹ́ lábì ní mo ní àmì? Èmi kí ló kàn mí pẹ̀lú ẹ̀mí sójà? soldier, but he don't worry. He was not that bought me before. He was not that processing for me. When the name came out the first time for first screening, he told me go and buy punch. Say so. Your name is on number 3 in Ogun State. When we did that screening, your name is number 3. He said number 3 when the final screening came out. And I went for training. When I got to training on army, when we have 310 out of 310, 199 finish. The one that ran away. Those that died, they did not. They died. But I can't go because of the grace of God upon my life. So when we go to the training, we not start saying nothing to ourselves. I'm saying, what do you do? And they also say, this is 11th time. Go make it. Ele asopẹ ọdún kẹfà ní tó ti ń pa pa yìí. Ele asopẹ ọdún kìíní kan ní tó ti ń pa. Ele asopẹ ọdún kìíní kan gbẹgbẹ kó wá pa lọ. Wọ́n ti di láwọn ṣẹ́tù adéoyè fún. How many times do you have this habit? I told them very much broken bones. I just discover ohun tí àwọn èèyàn find it difficult to do on my own path. I do it first with this. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ọ̀rọ̀ yóò ti lórí foundation. I was moved from where I was saying that office and then put on office. Nígbà yẹn kọ́lá ti lẹ́yìn ọ̀nà office mo ti sign then for I said ẹ̀ òun lọ fún mi but I went I spent 9 years in Maiduguri when Boko Haram was Boko Haram not now. When you see death praise the Lord you see death when you stand like this you just come out the next person with you who is your problem is gone. When you are going like this you won't go you see the next in your front running the next soldier outside your front box come on. That was when notice was notice not this one. What they are doing now is just to they come and attack the whole time. That time you see death see you see Boko Haram want to die, but you don't want to do what? You want to die. I explain true. There are some people who send my name to help me recover because they don't know. I will tell you, Oga, what I say, you should Oga, I may have Oga, what I need of my Oga, come and back, that's and I will say it. Before you know, they say that this man cannot last in the army. I told them I'm going to last in the army. You go and deceiving yourself. So one day, the promotion to major was to come. The major family, I am selling it. I am selling that I was not going to be promoted. Because I called them in Abuja, they said they put one recommendation in my file that Major Philip Adé should not be promoted, should not be promoted at the rank of captain in Nigeria. They stopped me, they said to me, they said, "What are this?" I know I said, "I'm not going to pay anybody." I just start one day, I kneel down. When the battle was on, Lord, go my jet here, promotion here. I will what? I will get it. And that was 2017. Call this one. I'm not going to call anybody. Because I know God is with me. When I get down, I don't call anybody. When I'm promoted to lieutenant, I did not call anybody. When I enter, I don't call anybody. Now it's in danger. I'm not going to call anybody. So you go to a time. I fasted, I prayed, not a time. But it's the particular post. What is it? That's my faith. Lord, is it truly appropriate to do faith? That time, I have settled it. One of the people goes on with me, kò dé. Orí ọ̀pẹ ṣe kí ni? Ó pé kí ni yóò yà mí kúrò nínú ìfẹ́ Kristi? Ṣé ìtọ́jú ni? Ṣé wàhálà ni? Ṣé ìgbà sísí ni? Àbọ̀ ìgbà àtijọ́? That mind came to my mind. That Bible passage. If promotion comes, glory be to God. If promotion does not come, glory be to God. I still believe it happen. So when the promotion came out, you know notice you don't have access to the network. We used to move to one place in Ayabata and beg soldier in charge there giving my fine. So I was doing my money jogging inside the bush there. One of the officers was in charge. Just say, "Okay, sir, only sir. God bless the major." I just go. So when I was coming, we now jam again. Say, "Okay, stand up now." I congratulating me for what? Say you are promoted. I said, "Where?" Ó sì ọ̀gá ṣé bá bá tàn yín jẹ ni mi ò lè bá wọn fún yín ṣe é gbàgbé bóyá jẹ́ ká lọ. When I saw it, I was sharing what? Grace of God. Grace ò mọ wípé ẹ̀jẹ̀ kan ṣe báyìí. Tọ́lọ́ bá fẹ́ fẹ́ èèyàn dìde kúrò nínú ìpọ́njú nínú wàhálà ó máa bá dìde. Ó ní ọ̀pá yìí ló yẹ ká máa ṣe kí ni ló yẹ ká máa gbàgbé ọjọ́ ayé wa gbogbo. Grace of God ló máa jẹ́ promotion. Pàdéjèrè when you speak kò sẹ́ni tó lè ṣe. If God move you from that level you are and I can see so many here mo ní àwọn ènìyàn tí ọlọ́run ti yí tó ti ṣí ipò yẹn tó ti gbélé wọn lọ́wọ́ níbi lónìí. Gbogbo ìgbà rẹ̀ pé kò ṣeé ṣe ìyàwó first is it impossible ìyàwó. That says with God all things are possible. All things are possible. We send grace for the next level. It means a higher dimension of progress. The next level the pastor stepping into a new phase of God's plan and purpose for all. Isaiah chapter 43 verses 18 and 19. When we get home we can read. 2. Breaking through limitations. Breaking through what? Limitations. Ìtàwọn ẹ̀kọ́ pé bóyá eléyìí ní kó máa tẹ́lẹ̀ léyìí ojú bẹ́ẹ̀ náà. We know former governor of Oyo State, Abiyamo. If you don't know him, a man can even news, a man can even paper. The man was a governor, and I was teach during President Obasanjo. The man was removed, the man was impeached, the deputy governor came over, and all this one. Later, the man was restored. He became governor, he came to the office back. During the election, the second time, the people, the forces around, they voted him out, they voted him out. And he stand on his own, went back to his business. The man, his deputy who betrayed him, then his dead today. The man who impeached him, who was behind, the man who was behind the impeachment of this and that, where is he today? He is on the ground, inside the ground, out at the jail. The president of Obasanjo, who championed the impeachment that time, today is still alive. But at the grace of God, the man is the ruler of the man. If Obasanjo goes and see the man now, he will do what? That is right. Wọ́n bá pẹ̀lú orí ọ̀fẹ́ yìí. Wọ́n bá pẹ̀lú kíni. Wọ́n bá pẹ̀lú orí ọ̀fẹ́ yìí. Ṣẹ́ni láyé àdúgbò ní ìbílẹ̀ àwọn ọ̀gá tó ṣẹlẹ̀ around us ó ti kó kọ́ wa ní ọgbọ́n kásì mọ̀ wípé Ọlọ́run bẹ lórí ìtẹ́. Ó tà ní lórílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà. Don't let us go to UK. Then we should live inside the world. We should live within us. Ohun tá à ń rí tí à ń rí láàrin ara wa tí a ti tilẹ̀ wọ́. Ó ní ká mọ̀ wípé Ọlọ́run bẹ lórí ìtẹ́. Ọlọ́run bẹ lórí ìtẹ́. Ebi ọmọdé tó ti sún wa báyìí láti jókòó. I don't know what you are passing through. Mi ò mọ̀. It may be because of you, this society, for God, it may be because of you, God wants to put you in charge. It is not from you. It may be because of you, God wants to give you, God wants to put you in charge. Pay place for what? For the next level, only of men. Fún ìpele tó ṣe kí ni ìpele tó kàn ó yàtọ̀ ní ti ẹni Ọlọ́run ṣe fún mi jáde. Ọlọ́run ṣe nìyẹn Ọlọ́run new opportunity if that grace come the opportunity will come. There is not because spiritual maturity next level often involves growth in spiritual maturity. Growth in faith and growth in character development. Any character for Esther was an ordinary Jewish girl, and she was elevated to the standard of faith through the grace of God. About to pray for Esther. If I perish, àti gbàgbé àgbàgbé kan root mi. About to gbàgbé kí la máa pe root àbọ̀kọ̀ kú. If I perish, God leads that woman out. Joseph was elevated from a slave and pioneered to the position of prime minister in Egypt, promoted to that position of prime minister in Egypt by the grace of God. Ṣé ní pé àwọn àpẹẹrẹ báyẹn ó wà nínú kíni ó wà nínú Bíbélì Pọ́ọ̀lù àpọ́sítélì tó jẹ́ ọ̀kan lára àwọn tó ṣe kíni tó ń persecute church tẹ́lẹ̀ he came to be the one of number one apostle. We are talking about Peter, James, Mark, they have their own, but Paul came and supersede all of them. Paul wá jẹ́ olùwàtúkọ̀ wọn lẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Paul wá jẹ́ olùṣe kíni olùwàtúkọ̀ wọn lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ẹni tó ṣe kíni tó ṣe ìlara àwọn lẹ́yìn ti Kristi ẹni tó ṣe kíni bí ó dà bí olórí ọ̀fẹ́. Àwọn olórí ọ̀fẹ́ mi àwọn kan ní orí ọ̀fẹ́ tó jẹ́ pé bàbá fẹ́ wọ́n ní wọ́n mọ Jésù ó sì lọ́jọ́ bá wọn. That's why people are destined to heaven. If we think that still today, but ọlọ́run ṣe kíni ó ti yàn wọ́n pé eléyìí is my what is my beloved. Àwọn tó gbà tó jẹ́ pé tí ó bàtà fẹ́ ní pé àwọn sẹ́ni àti ìdílé wáyé mi ò bá yàn títẹ̀ ìjọ mi bá yàn sọ̀rọ̀ ìlẹ́yìn ẹ̀rí lè tó mú lọ́wọ́ eléṣe kìíní kan eléṣe tọ̀hún. There was a man that is what I used to complete my salary. I used to call the man Baba Yusuf. When I was in one night my father's independence, I met him. That this man was so poor, was my friend. So the man who still me, the man to go àpásọ̀ ẹ̀yà ẹ̀jẹ̀ kan lọ sọ́jà àwọn sọ́kù bàrà ọmọ ní kí wọ́n rà ní méjì. So tí bá ti délé bàbá ọba yìí sọ́kù dára ní pàtàkì ẹ̀ bá mi gbé wọ́n àjà rẹ̀ wọ́n sì. That was what I did. When I went to Sudan. For Sudan, I went to Nigeria. That's about 4 years. For Sudan, I spent 4 years. But before I went, arákùnrin yìí Mùsùlùmí ni. Mo wá sọ fún mi lọ́kàn ní bàbá Yusuf Mùsùlùmí dákìtì náà àtàbí Christian. But there is one prophet that used to pray for me. That man was the man the prophet states now over the battlefield. I don't know if you are going to follow me to that church and go and do what you will pray. Only ọ̀gá ṣe bá gbọ́ àrẹ we don wait. We don wait to go and pray. Nígbà tá a pray for nígbà yẹn àwọn prophet yẹn sọ tó máa ṣe sáwọn ìpàkà wọ́n ní kó bá wọ́n tó lè fún tó máa gbàdúrà sí tó máa fi wẹ̀ wọ́n ṣe kí ní kò káàdì ẹ̀mí fi bọ́. I was in Sudan after a year gbogbo tí yóò wọ́n wọ́n yìí. Ìgbà pé a máa fẹ́ ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ náà máa ń bá ọ̀sán sí kó máa ṣe ìrànlọ́wọ́ tó báyìí. Wá sí ọlọ́run wá ṣí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn. To the extent when I came after 2 years why I don't remember when I came wọ́n sọ pé èmi kí wọ́n tẹ̀ ọ̀sán. Dáàbì èmi kí wọ́n lọ gbàdúrà láti ṣe kíni. Mo dáàbò lẹ́nu àbá ìṣú. Mo tí mo gbọ́ ni pé láìpẹ́ ló mọ̀ sí ó ní àbá àbájú precious. Ṣẹ́yìn wọ́n lè mú mi lọ gbàdúrà. Mo lé mi náà ní ọ̀pọ̀ yé mi ní. Kí ló mú ìyàwó dáwọ́sí? That man met favor of God. Also today I was enjoying it. And I'm talking about 15 years ago. Father, you don't know much in the way I should do. I'm still enjoying it. What are you doing with your àwọn ọ̀dọ́ tó lè di orí ọ̀fẹ́ ọlọ́run táàtàá lè fi lọ sí next level tí ìpele tó kàn nàmbà wọn ní ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ẹ̀yẹ afọ́fọ́ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ súnmọ́ ọlọ́run ọ̀rẹ́ mi lè súnmọ́ ọ yẹ ká ẹ bá mi kọ́. Láti lọ sí ìgbèrè tó kàn ohun tí a pè ní ìgbéraga pride. Kí ni mo pè é? Pride. Bíbélì wípé ìgbéraga ó ṣe kí ni? Ó ṣíwájú ní ìparun. Bíbélì wípé ó ní agbéraga ní ọlọ́run tí ó máa wò nígbọ́. Ọ̀pọ̀ àti tí wọ́n máa wò ó. Ìgbéraga olótú wà bíi tiẹ̀ ó ní ìbẹ̀rù. Paul sọ nínú ìwé kọ́kọ́ ní olúwa kò fún wa ní ẹ̀mí ìbẹ̀rù. We are not given the spirit of God of fear. Ọlọ́run fún wa ní ẹ̀mí ìbẹ̀rù àfi ẹ̀mí kíni ẹ̀mí agbára. Ohun tó tún lè tún fà á lórí ìṣiyèméjì. Ilé ìsọ pé táyì bá ní ìgbàgbọ́ bíi wóró kíni wóró mustadi ẹ̀yin yóò pàṣẹ fún òkè tó ṣe kíni oní kó ṣìdí oní yóò fi ṣìdí kíni òkan bíi náà ní ọ̀lẹ laziness. Some of us are lazy. Some people are lazy. Wọ́n máa yan àdúrà ìṣòro ọlọ́jọ́ mẹ́ta we be lazy but if we are to go to club every day we go laziness. We need to change ourselves to the level of amadi. There was a time one of my father in the Lord called me and say reverend I say sir officer I say sir òun rí ìran kan and I have to do 9 months 9 weeks Sunday mẹ́sàn-án ó lè sọ fún mi Sunday mẹ́sàn-án ó ní Sunday mẹ́sàn-án yẹn tẹ̀lé bí o fẹ́ mọ bírèkì Sunday lè òní báyìí o gbọ́dọ̀ gbà á Sunday lọ mo bá bẹ̀rẹ̀. For those 9 Sundays wà fún bíìsì fún mi. Bóyá mo jáde bí a lọ sí pàtó kí tó dé lè jẹ́ pálẹ́ tó bá ti rẹ̀ mí. But I still find time to do what? To do that 9 Sunday and I saw the result. Spiritual what? Laziness. Laziness. They don't complain. And when you are with everyone, they complain too much. Àdúgbò ṣẹ̀dá àníjọ ẹ̀dá mi ló kù náà. Ó máa ń ṣẹlẹ̀ àwọn mìíràn complain láyé wọn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n ṣe lè wá rí àwọn wí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n ṣe tọ̀ wọ́n rí kíni wá rí àwọn wí. Mo fẹ́ sọ fún wa kò sí ẹni tó bá Ọlọ́run ṣòwò tí o ṣe kíni tí o ṣe bí ẹ tó pàdánù ẹgbẹ́ gbogbo Ọlọ́run ẹgbẹ́ pàdánù lórúkọ Jésù. Ẹni ṣe ti ọdún yìí ọdún tó pọ̀ ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yẹn ọ̀gá yìí ó sì gbàdúrà ìjọ yìí Divine Ewúlọmí Evangelical Church of Christ lórúkọ Jésù yóò máa pè é lóṣù. Mo sọ fún bíṣọ̀pù nígbà tó ní ọ̀gá náà ò kọ́ mo ní mo fẹ́ ṣe kankan mo dẹ̀ fẹ́ kẹ́ ìgbàdúrà fún mi. Ọ̀gá ni mo kọ́ ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì lọ́gbà ní wọn bíṣọ̀pù kọ́ wọ́n ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì wọn gbàdúrà I just come in that there pray my prayer and to what because ẹjẹ má jẹ kí n sàn yìí and for Methodist Church àìmọ̀ ilé àwọn àwọn àìmọye àwọn àbúrò Methodist Church tó ti wọ ilé Ọlọ́run yìí tí wọ́n gbàdúrà tí Ọlọ́run yìí nígbà it's a testimony it's a what it's a testimony it's a testimony ó tà sọ pé orí ọ̀fẹ́ ní yẹn Ọlọ́run fún àwọn wòlíì kan àwọn prọfẹ̀tì kan jẹ́ ní ọ̀fẹ́ tó bá ti sọ́nà ẹ̀ lọ́sẹ̀ ní ó ti rí bẹ́ẹ̀ yóò dára fún wa yóò dára fún wa wọ́n sì ké ẹgbẹ́ gbogbo Ọlọ́run wọn I want to appreciate God in your life ó sì gbàdúrà gbogbo Ọlọ́run yóò máa fara hàn ní ìpele nínú ayé wa yóò lọ sí bàbá àti ní ti ọwọ́ àti ní ti ẹ̀mí mímọ́.